Arcade, databases, monthly scholarships. Hello everyone, my name is Joshua and I'll be going monthly scholarships from Codesignal. So let's begin. So students at your university get scholarships that are paid throughout the year. And that information is in the table, scholarships, and has a structure ID, unique student ID, and scholarship, which is the amount that they've been awarded. And this is all the information in this example. That's how it looks like. And the output that they want is that they want to show the same information, and it should be ordered by the student's IDs. It already is, but it should contain the amount in the monthly scholarship payout. All right, so here's how I would do that. So for example, right here, it shows 12,000, 18,000, 24,000, but the output should really be 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, because that's the monthly output. This is the yearly. Input yearly, output monthly, yearly, monthly, yearly, monthly, monthly. Let's begin. Okay, so I select the same columns I needed. So I select star means all of the columns from the table, which is in this case scholarships. Okay, and but I want the monthly output. So the star thing would actually work. I just realized that. I have to specify the ID, and this time I'll do some little arithmetic. It's going to be scholarship divided by 12 because I'm dividing the yearly output with the monthly input, and I'll get all that information, the column information, into this new table. But it will fail when I run this. You might ask why. Well, when I run tests, I'll show you why it will fail. Okay. Oh, yeah. See right here in the output, it has the correct information. Like for example, it still copies the same output. So why did it fail? You can see it's because the column name is not correct. It's showing scholarship divided by 12, and that is so improper. Now, how do I change it back to have that same name scholarship? I'm going to use this as keyword. This as keyword allows you to rename that column into what you want it to be. In this case, I want to rename it to just scholarship. Now, if I run tests again, it should pass. Oh, let's see here. Did I do this correctly? What did I do wrong? I think I have to put this as lowercase. I don't know if that will affect it. Yep, there you go. So in this case, it is kind of case sensitive of what it wants it to be. In this case, it wants ID lowercase, and it wants to have that name scholarship instead of scholarship divided by 12. All right, guys, I hope you like this sort of content and you understand what's going on. Basically, the most important thing to take away is that you can do arithmetic with the column information, and you can rename it, that whole column, to whatever you would like to be using this as keyword. All right, guys, please like and subscribe, and if you do, I'll give you a scholarship to be a Pokemon master. As a matter of fact, the award is not just money. It's going to be a Bulbasaur, and who can deny not getting a Bulbasaur, right? It's the best starter Pokemon ever. Just kidding, guys. All right, guys, I hope this helps you, and take care.